Hey guys, so I just got home not that long ago. I had to put all my groceries away. I went grocery shopping, but before that, I ended up going with Anthony to the dentist. He got butterflies in his teeth. Yeah, look at that. That is going to stretch out his top jaw so that his teeth have room to grow. I hate it. He's already complaining about food and everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I ended up getting him some chicken and noodle at ETO. And there was chicken getting stuck right on top of there. So I'm like, Anthony, don't touch it, because if he touches it, it's gonna make it worse. It might fall out. It is so sunny in my kitchen right now. I'm actually making a soup that is boiling over. I'm gonna turn it down. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what, my kitchen's a disaster. But I am having some lunch. I'll show you guys what I'm eating. My lunch today, I'm having some sliced mortadella with some cheese, with some salad on the side. I have the rest of my apple cider vinegar that I still need to drink. And then I'm gonna be making myself a coffee. I'm just gonna watch my friend Drea here. She has favorites and fails, makeup and beauty empties. So I'm gonna watch her. It's been a while since I've caught up to her videos. If you guys are not subscribed to her, you really should. She's really sweet. She's great. I love her. And yeah, I'm going to eat my lunch because I'm starving, and I will see you guys in a bit. What time is it? I forgot to tell you. It is 12:44. For my coffee today, I'm going to use the mushroom coffee mix. I am out of this stuff now. I'm completely empty. I'm going to end up ordering it online because it's just way too expensive here. But I did add some cream, and then I'm going to add my sweetener that I showed you guys in my last vlog. It's the stevia, Better Stevia English Toffee. Love, love, love this stuff. And some cinnamon. I like to put some cinnamon powder in there. And then you just add your hot water. I really need a coffee this morning. Actually, it's not even morning anymore. What am I talking about? This day just went by so fast. It's already 1. It's 10 after 1 already. My goodness. I have to go pick up my son, Marco, at 3 o'clock from school. So I got some time to take down my coffee. I'm making some turkey soup. Because my son has those butterfly braces on, I have to... Well, it's best that he's on liquids for a few days. I have to really mash things up. He's having a really hard time chewing his food, like just even swallowing his food. It's kind of worrying me because he's already really skinny, and I'm scared he's gonna get even more skinny now. He is not a very good eater. He's not your typical boy that eats all the good foods. I really have to force food down, because he just doesn't like the texture, he doesn't like the taste. Yes, he hears me talking. You know that I'm talking about you. No, I don't. Yeah, you just don't like to eat, period, right? I will even ask him, are you hungry? No. No, he's never hungry. I don't even ask. I just have to give him the food, and then he'll eat it. I don't ask if he's hungry anymore. No. Do you guys have any suggestions if there's vitamins that you give your kids, or maybe some tricks and techniques? Let me know in the comments down below. I need all the help I can get. It's been a struggle since he was a baby. What time is it? 2:52. 2:52, and Marco gets out at 3:08. No, 3:07. 3:07. Like, what kind of times do these schools have? 3:07. Why can't they just round it up and say 3:10? You know? But anyways, we're waiting. It's so cold outside. We're not gonna go outside, right, Anthony? It's probably, what is it today? Check the weather. I need to put some chapstick. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if you guys can see. I have this like dry spot right here, and I don't know if it's a cold sore or if it's just dry, but I don't feel like anything on there. I'm scared. I haven't had a cold sore.
It's -20.
-20. Ooh. I haven't had a cold sore in a few years, and that was like my first cold sore I've ever had. I'm a little bit worried this is what it is. No. But I've been putting cream on it and everything. Anyways, I gotta put some chapstick on. This is the one that I always carry in my purse. It's the Fendi gloss. This is the Diamond Milk. I think this one is my favorite. I think I like it even more than the first one. I just love the shine this one gives. It's good. Okay, that feels a lot better. It's sunny outside, at least the sun is out. I always feel better when the sun is out. Okay, well, we had to go return Anthony's shoes. So we did that. I had bought him a pair of shoes. We went to a birthday party yesterday. And it was this like Ninja Warrior thing, and he was supposed to bring his indoor shoes and didn't. So I was at the mall anyways, ended up buying him shoes there. So I returned the ones that I bought the other day. Plus, it's Valentine's Day. I ended up getting the teachers some chocolates. So I just picked up this, I don't know, it's like a whole bunch of like different assortments of chocolates. I've never had this before, but it was a really good deal, and it's a good, decent size. So I got 3 of those, plus these roses, these chocolate roses that I'll probably put on top. Like when I wrap these, I'll put this one like on top. I think it's just, I don't know, just to add a little something. I think the chocolates I bought them last time were Ferrero Rochers, so I got that for Christmas. So I thought I would do something a little bit different. So we're gonna wait in the car. I ain't going outside, there's no way. And then we're gonna go home and eat, and Anthony has soccer tonight.
I'm happy.
Yeah, so he has soccer tonight, and I will probably just do some editing, and I will probably end this vlog here because I just have way too much to do tonight. My husband's the coach, so he'll be away, but I've got other things that I have to do because I have to go back to work tomorrow. Today's Monday. Did I say it was Monday? Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know if I did, but it's Monday. It's my day off. And I have to go back to work tomorrow. These 2 days just flew by. And they do fly by more when I work a Saturday, which I did have to work a Saturday this weekend. Next Saturday, I'm off. And yeah, that's it, guys. So thank you so much for joining me today. I know everybody has such busy schedules, and I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so that I know, and I hope that you guys like these vlogs and the content that I'm putting out on this channel. I'm doing my best. I have a lot more videos that I want to film. I just finding the time, it's so extremely hard. But I appreciate every single one of you. So thank you so much. I hope that you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah.
Bye. Say bye, Anthony.
Or
They can't see you.
bye.